Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. I've got some cool stuff in front of me. We've got some new high-end folders and gear from Reeve, Spartan, and Rick Hinderer. Let's check them out. We're always excited when we get new custom graphic Reeve knives in the building, and this new Sebenzas looks fantastic. It's got these various different colored cutouts here that sort of look like crescent moon shapes. Adds a really nice look to one of the all-time great folding knives in history. Titanium handles as usual. The titanium on the front side is satin finished and bead blasted on the back side for a little bit of extra texture. And we've still got that great S35 VN steel with a hollow grind for excellent slicing capability. A newer model that can go toe-to-toe with the Sebenzas in terms of quality is the Spartan Harsey folder. We've got new versions of this knife that feature their own set of computer graphics on the front. In this case, a compass pattern, which is one of their more popular options, with the quote, "Not all who wander are lost," right here on the front scale. And it comes with a really cool kind of turquoise, greenish, bluish anodized color as well. And that color looks really great against that black-coated S35 VN blade. We've got another version of this knife also that really ups the ante in terms of style, and it's the same knife except with a Chad Nichols Damascus blade. The lockup on these knives is really solid and you get a really full grip, meaning these are really good workhorse folding knives that can look great while doing it. So we're on a bit of a kick with frame lock knives today, showing you some stuff from some of the titans in the genre, and it wouldn't be complete without a Rick Hinderer. We've got some new XM18 3-inch models, and these are the Gen 4 with the new tri-way pivot system for excellent flipping action. We've got a few different versions of this knife in stock right now, all featuring Rick's slicer grind. This version is CPM 20CV with a blue-black G10 front scale and a darkened coating on the blade. We've also got the same knife, only featuring a black G10 scale. The most interesting of this batch, however, is this one with the two-tone finish. The bevels are tumbled, while the flats feature a satin finish. We've also got some new versions of Hinderer's popular tactical pens. And the cool thing about them is they come with a brand new finish option. This larger one is called the Extreme Duty Modular Pen. It's available with either copper or faux brass and comes with their new Battlefield Pickup finish. And this finish is aged and patinaed to look as though it's been sitting in a field for a few years and then found and put right back into duty. In addition to the two materials options, there are two different milling patterns, including one with a grooved texture and one with a spiral texture. These feature a solid cap on the front that make it a great self-defense tool. And when you unscrew it, they come installed with a Fisher Space Pen cartridge, which is a pressurized cartridge which allows you to write in all sorts of different conditions, including upside down. We've also got a new batch of his smaller Investigator pen. These come with the same Fisher Space Pen cartridge installed, and we do have that new Battlefield Pickup finish available, as well as some more traditional anodized finishes. So these are just a few of the high-end customs that we carry on our site. If you want to get your hands on any of these or see what else we've got, click the link in the description below to head on over to knifecenter.com.